Krebs cycle, also known as your TCA cycle, is a 8-step process. So step number 1 is that the condensation of acetyl-CoA enzyme with 4 carbon compound oxaloacetate will take place to form your citrate, and the coenzyme A will be released in the process. This reaction is catalyzed by your citrate synthase enzyme. Step number 2, citrate is then converted to its isomer isocitrate. The enzyme aconitase catalyzes this reaction, as you can see in the diagram above. Step number 3 is that isocitrate will undergoes dehydrogenation and decarboxylation to form 5C alpha ketoglutarate, which is a molecular form of carbon dioxide is released, and isocitrate dehydrogenase catalyzes the reaction. It is an NAD dependent enzyme, and NAD plus is converted into the NADH in this process. Step number 4, alpha ketoglutarate will undergo oxidative decarboxylation to form your succinyl coenzyme A, which is your 4 carbon compound. The reaction is catalyzed by the alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme complex. One molecule of carbon dioxide is then released, and NAD plus is converted into the NADH. And then step number 5, succinyl coenzyme forms succinate. The enzyme is your succinyl coenzyme synthetase, which catalyzes the reaction. This is coupled with your substrate level phosphorylation of GDP to get GTP. GTP transfers its phosphate to ADP, which will form your ATP. Step number 6. Succinate is oxidized by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase to fumarate. In the process, FAD is converted to FADH2. Step number 7. Fumarate gets converted to malate by the addition of one water molecule. The enzyme catalyzing this reaction is your fumarase. Last step, which is your step number 8, malate is dehydrogenated to form your oxaloacetate, which combines with another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A and starts the new cycle. Hydrogens removed get transferred to NAD+, which will form your NADH, and malate dehydrogenase will catalyze this reaction. So this is your 8-step process of the Krebs cycle, which will take place in the matrix of mitochondria in your aerobic condition. For more detailed videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Science Era. Thank you.